Our lesson today is divisibility rules for the numbers 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Divisibility rules of whole numbers give the exact and accurate tactics to quickly determine if a number can be divided evenly by 2, 3, 6, 9, and 10 without long division. Divisibility means that you are able to divide a specific whole number evenly or without a remainder. The rules for finding whether numbers are exactly divisible by another number without doing long division are illustrated on this lesson with their corresponding examples. Divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. Divisibility rule for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the ones digit of the number is 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Example: is 5,628 divisible by 2? The answer is yes, because the ones digit, which is 8, is divisible by 2. Therefore, 5,628 is divisible by 2. Another example: is 739 divisible by 2? The answer is no. The ones digit is 9, not 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Therefore, it is not divisible by 2. Divisibility rule for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the ones digit of the number is 0 or 5. Example: is 965 divisible by 5? The answer is yes, because the ones digit of the number is 5. Therefore, 965 is divisible by 5. Another example: is 10,464 divisible by 5? The answer is no, because the ones digit is 4. The ones digit does not end with 0 or 5. Therefore, it is not divisible by 5. Divisibility rule for 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the ones digit of the number is 0. Example: is 963 divisible by 10? The answer is yes, because the ones digit of the number is 0. Therefore, 960 is divisible by 10. Another example: is 163,458 divisible by 10? The answer is no, because the ones digit of the number is 8. Therefore, 163,458 is not divisible by 10. Divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9. Divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible or a multiple of 3. Example: is 345 divisible by 3? Step 1. Add all the digits. 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 12. Step 2. Determine if the sum of all the digits is evenly divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So, the answer is yes, 345 is divisible by 3. Because the sum of all the digits, which is 12, is divisible by 3, or it can be divided by 3 without a remainder. Another example: is 2,562 divisible by 3? Step 1. Add all the digits. 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 equals 15. Step 2. Determine if the sum of all the digits is evenly divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Therefore, 2,562 is divisible by 3 because the sum of all the digits, which is 15, can be evenly divided by 3. Divisibility rule for 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Example, is 162 divisible by 6? Step 1. Determine if the last digit of a number is divisible by 2. All numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 is divisible by 2. Step 2. Follow the divisibility rule for 3. Add all the digits. 1 plus 6 plus 2 equals 9. Step 3. Determine if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So 162 is divisible by 6 because it is an even number and the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. Another example, is 244 divisible by 6? Step 1. Determine if the last digit of a number is divisible by 2. All numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are divisible by 2. Step 2. Follow the divisibility rule for 3. Add all the digits. 2 plus 4 plus 4 equals 10. Step 3. Determine if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. 10 divided by 3 is equals to 3.3. So, 244 is not divisible by 6 because even if it is an even number, it does not satisfy the divisibility rule for 3. Divisibility rule for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible or a multiple of 9. Example, is 738 divisible by 9? Step 1. Add all the digits. 7 plus 3 plus 8 equals 18. Step 2. Determine if the sum, which is 18, can be divided by 9 without a remainder. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. So, 738 is divisible by 9 because the sum of all the digits, which is 18, is evenly divided by 9. Another example, is 5,967 divisible by 9? Step 1. Add all the digits. 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7 equals 27. Step 2. Determine if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. 27 divided by 9 equals 3. So, 5,967 is divisible by 9 because the sum of all the digits, which is 27, is divisible by 9. So that's it, class. You can now answer activity 1 and 2 on your module. See you on our next lesson.